Well, friend, I know it's been a while. We've had some good times, but you know, you're kind of made of plastic, mostly, except for this. But you're still good. I'm still gonna keep you, yeah. But we had to do it. It has that sound to it too. Now, the only thing that could be better is this handle. I think it's plastic. I think it's plastic all the way through. So I might make a handle for it and replace it. But other than that, good metal. This one's a good one too. It's plastic, right? So we'll see which one lasts longer. It's going to be this one, not this one. This one will wear out. This one less likely so. But I can imagine the handle wearing out before the rest of it. So might have to make a new handle for it eventually. Okay, bye. Oh, it's my new toy box. Toolbox, toy box, whatever. Okay, bye.